In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated emails in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple, reliable workflow that sends emails for you based on what's happening in your boards. First, open Monday.com and head into the workspace that contains the board you want to automate. If you work across multiple workspaces, choose the one where your items and columns already live. It's best to have your key columns, like status, date, people, or an email column, set up beforehand so you can plug them into the automation without backtracking. Once your board is open, click Automate. This opens the Automation Center, where you build rules that listen for a trigger and then perform an action. If you don't see Automate, you may need the right permissions on the board. Next, choose Gmail as your integration. If it's your first time, Monday.com may prompt you to connect your Gmail account and approve permissions. Make sure you're using the account you want emails to come from, and confirm with your admin if your workspace restricts integrations. Inside the Gmail section, browse or use the search bar to find a template that includes Send Email. You'll see templates like sending an email when a status changes or when a date arrives. Pick the one that mirrors how your team works. If you're unsure, choose a status-based template. It's flexible and easy to test. After selecting a template, customize the automation. Adjust the trigger to match your board's logic, for example, when status changes to approved or when a due date arrives. Then set the email details. For the recipient, you can use a fixed email address or map it dynamically from an email or people column if you want each item to email a different person. Write a clear subject line and a concise message. Use dynamic fields from your board, like the item name, owner, or date, so each email is personalized and accurate. Keep the body text friendly and informative, and consider adding a brief call to action, like confirming receipt or completing a task. When everything looks right, click Create Automation. Your rule is now active on the board. Make a quick test by changing an item to the trigger state and watch for the email. If it doesn't arrive, double-check the integration connection, the recipient field, and your Gmail sending limits, and peek at your spam folder. That's it. You've set up automated emails in Monday.com, saving time and ensuring consistent communication every time your workflow moves forward.